AI agents leave you with a bad choice. Stop them at each step or give them too much power. Final say gives you a third choice. It does the work we can check and undo, then stops at one step only you can unlock. Both lanes run the same saved checkout job with the same start, tools, and limits. The basic helper misses one repo rule, so it finishes 0 tasks with server receipts. Final say finds the rule and finishes 5. Both lanes ask the owner once. First, a source card finds the missing repo rule and links the fix to it. Final say fixes the demo copy. A stale file fails its first check, so final say gets a fresh copy and passes on one retry. A truth receipt cuts the claim back to what the proof shows. It also makes the release and undo files. Work only counts when the server gives it a receipt. Now final say stops. The action key names one action, the records it can change, the state right now, its limits, when it ends, and the undo plan. The model cannot approve its own work. I change the demo box and try the old key. Before anything happens, the server checks the state again. The state changed, so the old key does not fit. The server refuses it. 0 key uses. 0 record changes. I start a fresh run. This key matches, so it changes one record inside the demo and returns a receipt. The app tries the same key again, and the server says no. One key, one state, one use. The screen shows a saved, project-authored replay. This is not a live model call. It is not a held-out test or a real deploy. In this bounded test, final say finished 5 receipt-verified tasks we could undo. The basic lane finished 0, and both lanes asked once. We saw 0 unauthorized consequential actions. That does not prove every job is safe. To build it, GPT 5.6 proposed a 6-step plan through the OpenAI Responses API. Codex then helped build the controller, receipts, interface, and tests. Its reviews found bugs in stale state and owner checks. We fixed those bugs. I set the product bounds. I also set its authority limits. Final say lets the agent finish the work we can check and undo. Then it stops at the one step only you can unlock. More checked work, one exact stop.